Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. As we speak, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, Robert Monda, has been impeached, confirmed, and sealed by the Senate Assembly. As I was just looking at this news this morning, I was shocked because I never wanted to pay so much attention. I was just waiting for the result. When you saw the kind of wrangle in between Simba Arati and Silvanus Osoro, kuna ujinga fulani yenye Silvanus Osoro alikuwa nayo ya kisiasa. And this was miscalculation. At the same time, Robert Monda, who was now, let us say, he was the Deputy Governor of Simba Arati, accepted to be dragged in this fight. And even, let me tell you the secret of Silvanus Osoro. When he started having fight with Simba Arati, Silvanus Osoro started making certain committees where the Deputy Governor, mwenye amekuwa impeached, was among those who were in that committee of ensuring that Simba Arati was going to be impeached. Now, imekuwa vice versa. As the MCAs decided that Robert Monda, who is the Deputy Governor of Simba Arati, was not in accordance to the law, how he was handling his job, now they impeached him. After impeaching him, so now Silvanus Osoro is a loser together with Robert Monda, because they thought this wrangle was going to escalate at a point that they were going to impeach Simba Arati. They never knew the game plan and miscalculation they were doing. As we speak, Simba Arati is the governor. Robert Monda has been impeached, sealed. Nothing can change with that. But again, at the same time, this impeachment was done by the MCAs. Remember, the UDA treasurer, Nyakundi, and Silvanus Osoro promised the people of Kisii that they were going to return Robert Monda as the deputy governor. This is how things went.
Not a very religious person because I don't understand the Bible, but I believe in God. And on that philosophy, Mr. Speaker, many of you have heard that God made man, and man made money, and money made man mad. The madness you're seeing in this house today, Mr. Speaker, where a father can go against his own son and a deputy governor can go against his brother, is the madness that money has created in society. I move and I request the distinguished senator from Migori to second my motion for removal of Robert Monda. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I don't want to judge the governor on the basis of lies, but today's judgment is for the young people in this country who try to tarmac so much in this country to look for jobs, and because people in power want money from them, we must show as a house that we can stand united on a bipartisan manner and stop this menace of corruption that denies young people opportunities. And I wish to urge this house that the act of sending the deputy governor of Kisii home is not malice. Is about rethinking our future generation and how people in positions can be able to ensure that there is equal opportunities and equal chances for all.
Every single time we have had an impeachment motion here, we always say, where is the proof? Where is the evidence? Where is the fact? It is not about the story. It is about the proof and the evidence, Mr. Speaker. So when I looked at the transaction of 100,000 sent to a managing director so that they can give a job, Mr. Speaker, I was saddened because I knew that this is the sword that will bring down the deputy governor, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, tonight I will cast my vote with passion, reason, and without fear, while knowing, Mr. Speaker, that the Constitution that we enacted as the people of Kenya wants Kenyans of integrity, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as I conclude, Mr. Speaker, I hope that the decision that this Senate is going to take will be a moment of reflection for two Kenyans, Mr. Robert Monda, the governor of Kisii, and Joseph Misati, the father of Dennis Misati. As you go back to the hills of Gusii Nation, take a reflection that family is more important than the positions that we hold in this republic.
Honorable Senators, the result of the vote on the impeachment motion on Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, is as follows. Charge number 1, gross violation of the Constitution and any other law. The ayes, 39. The nays, 3. Abstention, 1. So the ayes have it. Charge number 2, abuse of office. The ayes, 39. Nays, 3. Abstention, 1. Again, the ayes have it. Charge number 3, gross misconduct. The ayes, 35. Nays, 7. Abstention, 1. The ayes have it. Charge number 4, crimes under national law. The ayes are 32. Nays are 10. Abstention at 1. So ayes have it. Now, honorable senators, Section 33(7) of the County Governments Act provide as follows. If a majority of all the members of the Senate vote to uphold an impeachment charge, the Deputy Governor shall cease to hold office. Honorable senators, the result of the divisions indicate that the Senate has upheld the following impeachment charges. Charge number 1, gross violation of the Constitution and any other law. Charge number 2, abuse of office. Charge number 3, gross misconduct. And charge number 4, crimes under national law. Now, honorable senators, pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33(7) of the County Governments Act, and the Standing Order 86 of the Senate Standing Orders, the Senate has resolved to remove from office by impeachment Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, and the Deputy Governor therefore ceases to hold office.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, the question is, do you think that Silvanus Osoro ameuza Robert Monda? Because for me, Silvanus Osoro ameuza Robert Monda, who has been impeached now. You cannot drag me into your wrangle in between you and the governor of Kisii. I'm the deputy. Now, Silvanus Osoro, in fact, alifika mahali mpaka the senator Onyonka alikuwa hapo ndani kuhakikisha kwamba si Barati ameenda. The women rep alikuwa kwa hiyo committee. The deputy governor Monda alikuwa kwa hiyo committee na some members of parliament. Now, have you asked yourself why William Ruto never mobilized these senators to impeach Simba Arati? Lazima uelewe kwamba Simba Arati is like a political movement in Kisii. than even the deputy governor, Robert Monda. Simba Arati has been there in politics for several periods of time. And he always have his calculations. So hii kiburi yenye Silvanus Osoro alikuwa nayo kuhakikisha kwamba ati Simba Arati ameenda, ati sasa yeye ndio chief whip wa National Assembly, na kuambia ile game yenye Silvanus Osoro ni upushi na hata toboa, because Simba ni Simba mwenyewe. And I told you here, I analyzed the video long time ago, telling you that Simba ni Simba. He has been in the politics for some period of time compared to Silvanus Osoro. Now his calculations is well laid, planned with certain achievement. And I told you here, the fight that Silvanus Osoro is trying to engage with Simba Arati, kuna siku atapiga magoti na hao kuomba msamaha. Simba Arati si mwanasiasa wa leo vile Silvanus Osoro anadhani. So when Robert Monda was impeached immediately by MCS na kupelekwa now to the Senate, because the Senate hao ndio wana seal the impeachment of either governor or deputy governor. So together with the UDA treasurer Nyakundi and Osoro, they promised the people of Kisii at tutarudisha hawa watu, tutarudisha Robert Monda kama deputy governor. Ni kama hao ndio walikuwa wanaenda kumobilize these senators, you know, because Silvanus Osoro and Nyakundi knew that sasa UDA, senators wa UDA ni wengi, you know, kwa National Assembly, na wako wengi kwa not National Assembly, Senate Assembly, watamobilize watu na wataweza kuimpeach Robert Monda. Now Robert Monda is not the deputy governor, despite of Silvanus Osoro and UDA treasurer Nyakundi said this.
Tunamrudisha hasta hiyo Monda koenda 101%. I'm telling ama usisi babeta Monda hasta yako koenda Simba Arati ka chonjo Monda
amangana impeachment tuanchire ntunto bwa temechando kora aya ino kiagara ntoma yetenga kitoko gionchora ni Monda tari ko chiande by the way aseta yago chi mokure igoro bakanse moya gu 500 moya gu milioni mogwe korukuru Nairobi Monda tari ko chiande genda mote ima Arati abageze chibese chisane chike milioni 2 lakini Monda tari ko chiande moko murusi bosongo aseta iyo moko moira beyond that unless basacha mbayibo irugusi Monda tari ko chiande akia Mungu na atiandire Monda tari ko chiande njana bate moko mokora korbosonga arina kabesa kali mwaitu chibese chisini ni Now, I
want to ask you a simple question. Who is the loser here? The loser is Silvanus Osoro together with these punitive leaders who are planning to impeach Simba Arati. You must realize that William Ruto never wanted to pay attention. Never wanted to pay attention. And even to mobilize these senators to impeach Simba Arati. Not senators, rather to mobilize MCAs to impeach Simba Arati. This went vice versa. And now, Silvanus Osoro left stranded, together with the women rep, who thought like they were going to control the politics of Kisii County. Now, Simba ni Simba. Now, watajua hawajui. Simba Arati si James Ongwae. I'm telling you, Simba Arati is not James Ongwae. Na Simba Arati ukileta mchezo chafu atakuletea mchezo chafu. I'm telling you. Do you remember during a certain burial in Kisii, Simba Arati aliambia county commission, hii pembe yako unaleta tutangoa hii pembe. And I told you here, Simba Arati akisema tutangoa. I'm telling you. Simba Arati nimemjua wakati alikuwa MP wa Dagoretti, member of parliament of Dagoretti. And I know him very well. These are kind of systems in politics of the Republic of Kenya. These young people. Na Silvanus Osoro wakati aliingia siasa, alidhani kwamba anaenda kuwezana na Simba Arati pale Kisii. Kwa sababu one thing in Silvanus Osoro anasikia vibaya. Simba Arati alikuwa MP huku Nairobi, Dagoretti. Na wakati alikuja sasa kuamua kuwa governor wa Kisii, Silvanus Osoro hakufurahia. In fact, they told Simba Arati ati huyu ni mtu wa town, haelewi zile shida tunapitia hapa Kisii. Simba Arati alienda akapita, akawacha vinywaji wakishaga, you know. Then after Simba Arati kupita, Silvanus Osoro na hao wengine wanadhani kwamba watasambaratisha the leadership of Simba Arati. They never knew what they were playing with. Now Robert Monda has been impeached. Silvanus Osoro left stranded. They promised to rescue him. Nothing has happened. Now itabidi Simba Arati atafute deputy wake mwingine. That is it. That is it. How can Robert Monda be bribed 800,000 by a Kisii resident to be given a job? Yani mtu anatoa 800,000 bribe kwa huyu deputy governor, ili deputy governor amtafutie kazi. Na hii mchezo chafu wako ndani pale. And I told you here, Simba Arati akikuambia kwamba kuna mchezo chafu au watu walikuwa wanacheza hapa na kina James Ogwai, mlikuwa mnadhani mchezo. Wakati Simba Arati alisema kuna pending bills hapa yenye ni ghost pending bills yenye wanataka nilipe, muliambiwa, mlikadhani Simba Arati ni muongo. Now these are politicians yenye mlikuwa nayo Kisii. I wish tungekuwa na governors all over the country like Simba Arati. Simba Arati amekataa kulipa pending bills, ghost pending bills atukiongea. Na ndio maana hao watu walikuwa nasikia vibaya. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of your great support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Bye bye till you meet on another video.